Have you ever wondered how bread, a staple food in many cultures, is made? Let's embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of this ancient and delicious creation. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, lived a baker named Tom. Tom was known far and wide for his scrumptious loaves of bread, each one a work of art. One day, a young apprentice named Sam asked Tom, "How do you make such fantastic bread?" Tom smiled, his eyes twinkling with the secrets of the trade. "It all starts with the flour," Tom began, "the foundation of our bread. The type of flour, its quality, and how it's milled can greatly affect the taste and texture." "But what about the yeast?" inquired Sam, curious. Tom nodded. "Yes, yeast is the magic ingredient that makes the dough rise. It feeds on the sugars in the flour, producing carbon dioxide, which gives bread its light, airy texture." "What about salt and water?" Sam continued, eager to learn more. Tom explained, "Salt enhances the flavor, while water helps in the formation of the bread's gluten network, which gives bread its structure." Tom then led Sam to the kneading table. "Now, watch carefully as I knead the dough." Kneading helps to develop the gluten, making the bread chewy and elastic. After kneading, Tom shaped the dough into a loaf and placed it in the oven. As the bread baked, the aroma filled the air, tantalizing the senses. Finally, the bread was ready. Sam took a bite, savoring the flavor and texture. "Thank you, Tom," he said. "Now I understand the art of baking bread." From that day forward, Sam became a master baker, carrying on the tradition of creating delicious loaves for his village. And Tom, with a heart full of pride, continued to share his knowledge, inspiring countless others to discover the magic of baking bread. So, the next time you bite into a warm, fresh loaf of bread, remember the journey it took to reach your table. From the milling of the flour to the kneading of the dough, each step is a testament to the art of baking.